So hello everybody, I'm Kereszturi from Hungary. Actually, this poster, the first author is my colleague Richard Tomka, who is making his master in this topic, and we are working together with Dave Heder and others at ESA. And the topic is the comparative evaluation of the candidate landing sites for the Luna 27 mission. And as you have heard already from Dave in the morning, the mission was cancelled because of this problem with working with Russia for the industry. But I would like to show some interesting aspects of these candidate landing sites. So at the top right, you can see the 8 candidate landing sites. Regarding their crater-based analysis, if you evaluate all the craters above 200-meter size for these landing sites, then you can have a size frequency distribution based age values, which range between 4.2 and 3.9 billion years. So all of them show roughly the same period, the same very early period around or a bit earlier than the late heavy bombardment, which is relevant for the top, let me say, 100-meter thick part of the regolith, roughly. Of course, there are younger ages, as you can see roughly in the middle of the slides at the left part, which show age values between 1.7 and 3.6 billion years. So there were several rejuvenation related activities which can be identified there. You can see a small square at each of the 9 candidate landing site circle, a small one, which is a 3 by 3 kilometer area, a plain, almost horizontal area, where we evaluated smaller craters. Here, if I remember well, all craters above 65-meter diameter, which also provide relatively good age values, fitting with the above mentioned one, between 1.3 and 3.9 billion years, which is relevant for the upper part of the regolith. So if we compare all of these, then we can see these candidate landing sites show roughly similar basement ages, if we can use this term, roughly around or earlier than the late bombardment. If there was an ice accumulation in this early period, then we might have the chance to find some ice or ice-containing regolith if we can find or identify a moderately recent excavation by a smaller impact, which excavate and allow to reach this deeper early regolith part in these areas. But as you have heard, because of the problem with this mission, we jumped to CLIPS, and let's hope for CLIPS the landing site evaluation will be more interesting in the future. If you want to have more information, please visit my poster or send us an email. Thank you.